Garage to House by Judit Falgueras Arquitectura in Spain. A village businessman who specialized in extracting wood from the forest built a small industrial building in the 1960s. Simple, functional and very humble, this space served as a warehouse, mechanics workshop and finally as a parking lot for people from all over the city. Practically 60 years later, a family, new to the area, saw in this warehouse, which had fallen into disuse, the opportunity to convert it into a home. The project required a new metal structure as a key element that forms the first floor slab base, and a total rehabilitation of the roof. The existing truss was in poor condition and would be replaced with a Vurendal beam to illuminate the distributor/study on the second floor. The new structure supported only on the party walls and on 2 points of the existing basement walls, making a balanced intervention and avoiding the re-cementation of the building. The first floor elevation was built with a timber-framed facade and a light wood roof. Taking into consideration that the existing beams were in good condition and that they were extracted by the builder from his forests in the area, they were repurposed for the roof, and the wood from the old truss was transformed into furniture. It became the shelf and the table in the kitchen dining room, and the bathroom cabinet on the ground floor. The existing backyard facade and the party walls of the house are isolated, ensuring an envelope that limits the demand for energy. Strategic openings in the roof were created to promote the chimney effect, thus allowing natural cross-ventilation of all rooms. In terms of distribution, the ground floor accesses the garage, a dining room and kitchen, accompanied by a bathroom and a pantry, which is converted into a storage space for the garage. The living dining kitchen room is literally what it was, diaphanous and open, with a new relationship to the outside through the windows on the new terrace and patio. The distribution of the first floor is subjected to the order of the structure, which organizes the distributor/study spaces, the 3 bedrooms, the gallery, and the bathroom. The proposal rehabilitated and enlarged the existing garage and converted it into a dwelling, maintaining all the existing elements of interest and the essence and sensations of the original space. A nivel de distribución, en planta baja se cree el acceso, el garage y un solo espacio de estar, comedor y cocina, acompañado por un baño y una despensa, que es convierten en el tilo/trastero al servicio del garage. Este espacio central de la vivienda, de estar comedor cocina, es literalmente lo que era, diáfano y abierto, con una nueva relación hacia el exterior mediante los ventanales en la nueva terraza y en el patio. La distribución de la planta primera se somete a el orden de la estructura, que organiza los espacios de distribuidor/estudio, las 3 habitaciones, la galería y el baño. La propuesta rehabilita y amplía el garage existente y lo convierte en vivienda, manteniendo todos los elementos de interés existentes y la esencia y sensaciones del espacio original.